Good morning everyone. Today we are drawing these castings for Skujak. In this drawing, this distance to this distance was 140 diameters and that point to that point is 100 diameters and whole distance are 20, 125 and 40. So this means 185 millimeter. So at first we go to the SolidWorks. Then going to the front plane normal to. After this we create a central line for reference. For our help this line is 185 millimeter. After that we go into the straight line. This distance was 70. Enter. After that one smooth line. This distance was 26. Enter. And then skip the line. We delete this line. So this one is 26. After that these dimensions this dimension was 20 millimeter. So going to the SolidWorks, this one was 20 millimeter. Put the value 20. Enter. Also this one is 20. Enter. After this we go into the skip button, then smaller triangle. So this one is 50. So this one is 50 diameters. So at first we go into the SolidWorks code, straight line. There was a at first we take 25 millimeter for my. After this the scale button, select this one. This one is 12.50. 12.50. Enter. After that there was a 40 millimeter, 40, and this one is 5 millimeter, 5. Enter. Then join that point, skip. After that skip the line and also delete this help of reference line. Then zoom in, going to the line. This line was 51. And skip. Then select this line, offset entity. This one is 9 millimeter. Okay, wait. Go to the drawing. This one is 9 millimeter. So 9, right. After that So this line 55, enter. Wait, something was wrong. Going to the small dimension. This one is 40, okay, 40. This one is 12.50, right. 55, okay, right. This distance and the distance is 25 also, right. After that, one escape button. This one is 26, right. So this one is 20, right. This one is also 20, right. After that, this one is 5 also, right. And this distance and the distance 1. This distance to the distance was, there was something wrong. This distance was 70. After that, escape button. I'm going to this one, power trim. Going to the trim option, power trim. Remove this one. Also zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, and also remove this one. After then, escape. Then the line command, join this. There was a ready for this drawing. We further check this dimension. Okay, escape. All are okay. Then exit this drawing. Select the sketch. Going to the features options. Revolve boss. At first, select this line, central line. There was a revolve 360-degree. Right. Okay, this one is ready. After that, we select this plane. Going to the normal to sketch option. Then after this, we draw a 100 mm circle here, and this there is a 100 mm circle, and this depth was 100 mm dia circle, and depth was 3. So we going to the this panel, select the panel, going to the circle option, select this one. There was a 50 radius, enter. Then escape, exit the drawing. At first we going to exit the drawing, then select the sketch 2, going to the features option, extrude cut. There is a 10 mm, there is a 3 mm depth, right. So there is a, this portion is a extrude cut 3 mm 50 radius. After that, going to the drawing, there is a fillet option. There also, this is a fillet option, this is a fillet option. So going to the SolidWorks, select this panel, going to the fillet. There is a 2 millimeter, enter. Also this portion, no, sorry, escape. Escape, going to the fillet option, this one, and also this one, sorry, okay, fillet, going to the fillet option, select this one, 2 millimeter, write it, there is a fillet. Okay, going to the fillet option, select this one is 2 millimeter, enter, right. After this there was a fillet option, going to the fillet option, select this line, this one is 1 millimeter, right. So we can complete the screw jack first drawing, first part. This is a screw jack first part, these castings. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel.